dudes? I got something really cool to show you. It is the iDoing head unit radio for Subarus. I have a Crosstrek 2015 and I'm gonna try installing this. Now, this is kind of ordinary for me because I am not a car guy whatsoever. So, let's see how this works. What I'm going to do first is, first of all, I've been researching the hell out of this and really trying to familiarize myself with the disassembly and everything. So what I'm going to do first is try removing my first head unit, the stock one. So here we go. Alright, so I've got the glove box off here, and I actually cut the power to the battery. So now the car is off. But upon taking the screw out back here, it dropped behind the radio. So at least now I can get the rest of the screws out with this wrench here. But I've got my regular socket wrench there. So I'm going to try and do this methodically as much as I can. So I gotta pull these vents out next. So I made a little progress. So you can see here I got the vents out. The radio did kind of pop out, the stock radio, but my issue is there is not very much room here to work with to disconnect it. And then on top of that, it's like being held in place quite securely by something else. And since I don't work on cars and I don't know how the underside of this is configured, I really don't feel comfortable like pulling on it that much. Like, I'm worried I'm gonna break clips or something, or screw up the HVAC or something like that. So I'm like hesitant to really go a lot further. Of course, I don't know if you could see anything back there, but that's what I got right now. I unplugged some of it. Yeah. But that's basically what it looks like right now. So it's very, very tight. Very tight quarters back there. But I am not giving up. This is between me and the car radio. I got it. Alright, so this is the old radio, this OEM model. That's the iDoing. So you can see I just got them both next to each other. I haven't transferred anything yet. But yep, that'll be the next step. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna go outside now. Beep. Alright, back outside. Oh, and also, where's the drill bit? I know it's back there. Drill bit, where are you? Alright, so I'm at the point now where I'm ready to plug my car back in. GPS antenna kind of tucked right in that speaker grill there. It's actually underneath it. You can't see it. But I wanted to keep it hidden from plain sight just so it looks stock. There's the new radio there. As you can see, I kind of got it wired in. it's at the point now where I think it's all plugged in, so I'm gonna test it. But this is a mess still. Like, I still got quite a ways to go here. But I'm at the point now where I'm gonna plug the battery in and hopefully not kill myself. Unfortunately, I already lost a socket wrench bit and a screw underneath the radio. I guess, like the, what do you call it? The radio bay area. It's in the slot where the radio sits, but the screw and the bit are both really dug underneath to the point where they're a lost cause. Like, I'm not getting those out. And since I know nothing about cars, I'm worried that, like, if it went under the understructure of this and got, like, lodged in a moving mechanical part or something or whatever, I know nothing about cars. So I'm, like, worried that I could fuck myself with that. So, I really should have never gotten into this in the first place. But I'm at the point now where I might as well get it finished. So, I'll let you know what happens soon. Here goes. Alright, first boot up. Moment of truth. Here it goes. Oh, dude! It's on. I see a screen. Look at that. Holy shit. I don't know if I can prop my phone in a way that I can. Oh, speakers work. Cool. That's awesome. The Bluetooth device is not connected. Please connect the Bluetooth. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Hang on. I want to test the rear view cam. Okay, no signal. That's weird. Well, this is why I haven't this is why I'm testing it now before I am reassembling it, because there's no signal. Great. So what the hell do I do now? Well, let's find out. Alright, so an update for you guys. I got the rear camera working, finally. It was actually a very simple problem. I was just missing a cable, so it really wasn't that hard of a problem. So, yep, so there it is. Looks pretty good actually on that screen, honestly, for standard definition. It's not a bad picture. But yeah, there you go. And I'm pretty much at the point now where I'm ready to hook everything back up and put it all back together. So, wish me luck. Holy shit. So, it is now 10:42 at night. And guess what? I did it. I actually, at least, installed my own car radio. And I've never done this before. And before I put it all back together, that the rear view camera works. And I hooked up the GPS And all the speakers work. So just to demonstrate, this is actually kind of a cool home screen, I'm not gonna lie. So if we go to FM radio here, you got your, oh wow, I was going to reach for the volume knob and there isn't one anymore. That's so weird. Okay. So, well, obviously that's not a station, but you get the idea. So, I guess I can browse like that. That's cool. So, yeah, I would say that the speakers are definitely working. Anyway, yeah. But yeah, this is the iDoing radio. Hopefully, I didn't blow my speakers just now. But anyway, that's it. So, well, I did it. I'm still alive. I didn't electrocute myself. The car is drivable.
Hell yeah.
And the radio works, as you could see.
The most important things.
Yep. And I started working on it 6 hours ago. And now here we are.